Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to set very useful hotkeys in your OBS Studio software. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, if you use OBS, it's very handy to have some hotkeys ready. Like, for example, a one to start recording, one to pause the recording, and one to stop the recording. Now, how to set this? Simply open up your OBS Studios. Simply go to the top left corner where the file appears. Right here, head down to the settings, and inside the settings, we have the hotkey menu. Right here, open up the hotkeys tab, and here you have a load of hotkeys that you can use. Now, here you can search the hotkeys. And here you can scroll all the way through the menu. Now let's say you want to set a hotkey to start recording right here. Now simply open up the little tab right here, click inside of it, and from there choose a key combination for the stop recording. Now let's say I want the R for the recording. Simply press R, and now the R key is binded to the start recording. Now if you want to stop it, simply do the letter next to it to make it easy. Let's say I want a pause inside my recording, so when I press the space bar, for example, the whole video pauses, and from there, when I want to head to the other part, again simply press N, for example. Now from here press apply, and now these has been saved. Now if you want to delete a hotkey, let's say I want to delete the pause recording, simply head down to this little menu right here and do the backspace, the clear right here. Now as you can see, I have to apply it once more, and now these has been saved. Now if this tutorial has helped you, or if this tutorial, you still got any other questions, leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.